Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on the transformative role of artificial intelligence in managing attrition in call centers. Today, we will explore how AI-driven technologies are reshaping workforce management, enabling organizations to predict attrition risks, enhance employee engagement, and build a more stable, productive workforce. From predictive analytics and real-time performance monitoring to AI-powered scheduling, training, and automation tools, we'll uncover how these innovations help reduce voluntary attrition, lower operational costs, and improve customer experience metrics like CSAT, FCR, and SLA compliance. By the end of this discussion, you will see how AI creates a data-driven ecosystem where early intervention, proactive retention, and smarter workforce planning become the foundation for long-term business sustainability. Let's begin with one of the most powerful applications of AI in call centers: attrition prediction and risk modeling. Using advanced predictive analytics, AI examines vast amounts of historical data such as attendance records, performance trends, customer satisfaction scores, and even agent sentiment analysis. By connecting the dots across multiple variables, AI can forecast attrition risks not just at an organizational level, but also for specific teams or even individual employees. But the real game changer lies in its early warning systems. AI detects behavioral patterns like declining productivity, irregular attendance, or sudden drops in engagement that often precede resignations. These real-time alerts allow HR and operations teams to intervene before the employee decides to leave. The impact: proactive retention strategies, from coaching and mentoring to targeted incentives and career path planning, ensure employees feel valued, supported, and heard. Over time, this data-driven approach leads to lower voluntary attrition, improved job satisfaction, and a more stable, engaged workforce. Next, let's look at how AI enhances workforce engagement, one of the most critical factors influencing employee retention. Through advanced sentiment analysis, AI evaluates feedback from surveys, chat transcripts, and internal communication platforms in real time. It measures employee morale, identifies emerging concerns, and flags potential dissatisfaction long before it escalates into turnover risk. Additionally, AI-powered virtual assistants give employees instant access to HR policies, benefits information, and work schedules. Instead of waiting for manual responses, employees get quick, accurate answers, reducing frustration and boosting workplace satisfaction. The impact of this is twofold. First, higher employee engagement directly lowers attrition caused by dissatisfaction or lack of support. Second, better morale translates into greater productivity, improved service quality, and stronger customer experience. With AI, engagement becomes data-driven and proactive, ensuring a happier, more stable workforce. Now, let's move on to AI in scheduling and workload management, a key area where workforce optimization meets employee well-being. AI-powered workforce management (WFM) systems analyze factors such as agent availability, shift preferences, peak call volumes, and absenteeism trends to create optimal staffing schedules. Unlike traditional methods, these schedules are data-driven, fair, and adaptive to both business demands and employee needs. What makes AI even more powerful is its ability to perform dynamic intraday adjustments. When there's a sudden spike in call volumes or unexpected absenteeism, AI automatically reallocates available agents in real time to prevent overwork and service disruptions. The impact is twofold: better work-life balance for employees as flexible schedules minimize burnout and stress. Higher SLA adherence, since staffing levels remain stable even during peak demand periods, ensuring customers receive timely service. This intelligent balance of operational efficiency and employee well-being ultimately reduces attrition risk while improving customer satisfaction. Next, let's explore how AI transforms training and career development to critical factors for reducing long-term attrition. Through personalized learning plans, AI analyzes individual agent performance, identifies specific skill gaps, and recommends customized training modules. This ensures employees receive targeted development opportunities rather than generic, one-size-fits-all training. Additionally, career progression analytics leverage performance data, tenure patterns, and employee interests to suggest promotions or lateral role changes. This gives employees clear visibility into their career growth path within the organization. The impact is significant. Employees experience higher skill growth and greater job satisfaction, which naturally reduces long-term attrition. Early attrition caused by lack of career development opportunities also declines as employees see a future worth investing in with the company. AI thus turns training and career planning into a data-driven, employee-centric experience, fostering both engagement and retention. Let's now look at how AI-powered automation and self-service solutions transform daily operations and help reduce agent attrition. Tools such as chatbots and IVR automation handle a significant portion of routine customer queries, from password resets to billing inquiries, without requiring live agent involvement. This reduces call volumes handled by human agents, freeing them from repetitive and low-value tasks. In addition, process automation capabilities automatically generate call summaries, update CRM records, and handle after-call work, allowing agents to focus more on complex and meaningful customer interactions rather than administrative burdens. The impact is clear. Lower workload stress and improved job satisfaction as automation eliminates mundane tasks. Reduced burnout-driven attrition, since agents experience a better balance between efficiency and work quality. By streamlining processes, AI empowers employees to deliver better service while building a healthier, more sustainable work environment. Next, let's focus on real-time performance and well-being monitoring, where AI ensures both operational efficiency and employee welfare stay in balance. Through AI-powered dashboards, managers can monitor key operational metrics like occupancy rates, average handle time, and SLA compliance. But what makes this capability unique is that it goes beyond performance. It also tracks wellness indicators such as break adherence, overtime frequency, and workload distribution, offering a complete picture of both productivity and well-being. Additionally, AI-driven anomaly detection identifies unusual patterns in workload or morale, like sudden spikes in overtime or declining agent engagement, that often signal a growing attrition risk. The impact: early problem detection allows for faster managerial interventions, whether through workload balancing, coaching, or schedule adjustments. This proactive approach significantly reduces turnover rates, ensuring workforce stability while protecting service quality. With AI, performance management becomes smarter, preventive, and employee-centric instead of reactive. Finally, let's talk about the strategic financial and operational impact of using AI to manage attrition in call centers. High attrition brings significant costs. Recruitment expenses, onboarding investments, training budgets, and even overtime payments quickly add up. By reducing attrition through AI-driven interventions, organizations achieve substantial cost savings while stabilizing their workforce. But the benefits go beyond cost reduction. A stable, well-trained workforce leads to higher CSAT scores, better first call resolution rates, and stronger sales conversions. These factors directly protect revenue streams by improving customer loyalty and reducing the risk of lost business from poor service experiences. Finally, consistent staffing levels ensure operational stability, allowing the business to scale sustainably without disruptions caused by constant turnover or talent shortages. In short, AI-powered attrition management delivers financial efficiency, operational resilience, and long-term growth potential. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.